Lightforce. Now this was developed by Gargoyle Games back in 1986. 48K, that's a 48K version. But as you can see, it looks graphically really well detailed and colourful. I'm gonna have a turn. Little playthrough to see what it's like. Get off this demo. It's gonna come on soon, honest. There you go, right. Enter. Controls. Sorted. It's gonna come on in a second, I'm sure. Oh, really? Right. Now why is it not coming on? There you go. Got the wrong button. Fire button. For QAOP and N for fire. So yes, I'm using the keyboard, no joystick, unfortunately. Yeah, but well detailed. Oh. So yes, as you can see, it's a scrolling shooting them up. And I'm not doing very well. Ooh. Oh, that deserves another shot, I think. Yeah, we'll go. Need to get further on than that. Yes, well, it's great to see a bit colour on the ZX Spectrum. Well, colourful instead of monochrome. But as you can see, yeah, well detailed, yeah. Graphically brilliant for the Spectrum, and lovely and colourful. Right. Ooh, watch them asteroids. I must avoid them. Very fast. Oh my god, what's these? A little bit of slowdown, but really 48K. Geez, really can't complain. Oh! Shame they couldn't have got this on the 128. Bit of music on would have made it even better. Yeah, this is really hard. I'm gonna have one more game. I remember R-Type, that was quite a good shooter as well. There's a few others knocking about as well. If you, R-Type was probably the most favourite, well, the most popular. Fantastic coding. I can get a bit more confident now. Keep my mouth shut in case I die. Really. Hold on, close it. Right. Ah, damn. Wait, them bloody asteroids. Really fast. Whoa! Definitely one more turn. Just getting a little bit more used to it. Come on. But you haven't got some pokes to put on. Thought you haven't. Not handy. Just a little playthrough. Just a reminder of what the Spectrum could do, you know, when it was coded well by decent developers. You got games like this, and you don't get us wrong, the sound isn't amazing, but graphically and colourful, it's brilliant, brilliant. Oh, oh, come on! Just gotta avoid that. Oh, the last one got us. Oh, sword. It's hard with the yellow asteroids because they're very similar to the background. Oh, well, that's a little playthrough with Lightforce. Yep, decent game. If you get a chance to play it, give it a go. Probably one of the better shoot 'em ups on the ZX Spectrum. Hope you enjoyed the little playthrough. If you like, please like and subscribe, thumbs up, whatever. Back for more later on at some point. See you later. Goodbye.